a little early for that.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are on our way to Halifax to visit Toto and Christy.
Yeah.
Jacob's eating a cookie for breakfast.
We're staying in a DoubleTree near the Toronto airport. So we got cookies and there's no other food because it's 4:23. So we're headed down to the lobby to get the shuttle over to the airport so that we can be there in plenty of time to get through security and all that stuff at Toronto airport. So we'll see you over there, hopefully breezing through the Nexus line. Nexus for security, always a win. Highly recommend.
Do it.
What was it, like 6 minutes from the time we walked in the airport through security? Just gonna go.
I'll say 10. I think 6. It didn't feel like a 6-minute warm up.
So we're gonna grab some coffee, maybe some food, and wait for our flight because we're early now. Maple dip. All right, so it wasn't really a jump to the TSA line, like I said. Once we got to the airport, everything moved so fast. The Nexus card, everything was really smooth. Flight was really easy. Toto met us at the airport, picked us up, drove us out, and this is his yard. We're now at their place, and he is going to take me for a kayak. We're going to go, since the tide is in, we're going to go for a little kayak around the inlet, and I'm going to bring you guys along. He should be coming shortly, but unreal. I mean, look at where he is. What kind of backyard? Whew, it is chilly, but so pretty.
Jacob's first kayak.
Ocean kayak. Oh, I'm drifting. I need to paddle. Let's shove you in here. And then, yeah. There we go. Oh, it's very nice over here. You look so majestic up there.
Me?
Yeah. Coffee.
We are at Uprooted Cafe here in Musquodoboit Harbor. This is our local grocer, you know, very, very locally owned, locally sourced veggies and things. And
I should have filmed earlier. It was very yummy, and we devoured all of our food and just having some coffees.
These are our friends, Dustin and
Yeah.
Christy, because we haven't done that yet.
well, yeah, we haven't been on the vlog certainly recently, if
Yeah.
ever, I don't remember.
It may have been a long time ago.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they're going to be our hosts and tour guides while we're here in Halifax area.
Yeah.
You'll see lots of them.
It's
All right,
fun.
back to the
Rainy day.
the misty, rainy day. Well, it's day, what, it's our third day? Like second and a half. But
I don't even know.
we're out in Peggy's Cove now. Toto and Christy have brought us on a little road trip. And we've got Odie with us.
Yeah.
Back there. And so yeah, we're in Peggy's Cove going to see the lighthouse, which I'm very, very excited for. But also the harbor here and all of the fun, colorful houses. Super cool. We're at the thing. At the lighthouse. There's a Toto.
Hello.
And Christy. And an Odie. The bagpipe stopped. I'm gonna try and walk around a little bit and see if I can get a cool shot. It's very pretty. So we are at Peggy's Cove.
Chowder.
Taylor got her chowder. It was delicious. She saved me a bite, which thank you.
Literally just one.
And
a mussel.
yeah, the lighthouse behind us there. I just did a little drone flight.
Christy's here.
Christy's here presenting. Yeah.
Odie's running.
Odie's running over there with Toto. And we're gonna continue on now to
Polly's Cove.
Polly's Cove. This is Peggy's, going to Polly's, and super
Then we're going
cool.
for lobster.
And then lobster for dinner. Oh, Odie's coming.
Ah.
Awesome.
It's like, we're going.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Better lose it.
Now we'll follow you, Odie. Let's go.
He says, you guys said something about lobster?
Yeah.
That has freaked me out. I wish you turned it.
You got some chowder.
On the Chowder Trail.
You got that big boy. This was one of the missions.
Target acquired. Ooh, can I get that too?
No. Where are we? What are we doing? Where are we? What are we doing?
Hi, we're at the Halifax boardwalk. Boardwalking.
That's about right. We found lots of stairs and some more stairs that go into the water, which looks very chilly at the moment. It's the Acadia. Say George Island?
George's Island.
George's Island. Hello and good morning. We are at the Cape Split Lighthouse. No, not lighthouse. Cape.
There might be a lighthouse.
I don't think there's a lighthouse. We're on the Bay of Fundy at the Cape Split Hike Trailhead, and we're gonna go for a hike. I think it's about 13K round trip, and there should be some pretty sweet views at the end. And we'll bring you along for a little hike in Nova Scotia. Well, you can see we're starting here, up along that blue path to the lookout. See if we can maybe take the yellow one back. I don't know. We'll find out. Taylor is the fastest hiker with the littlest legs. Look at her go.
I like to trudge.
She boogies when we get on these hikes. How's it going, team?
There's more elevation than Jacob said.
I know, I was thinking that.
Yeah.
That last stretch was like...
It does go up a little bit more than I thought.
Hillier then?
Yeah.
Relatively flat, I believe is what Jacob said in the car.
So far it's been 135 meters. There it is. There's the Cape Split. Wow. Oh, wow. Really cool. Check that out. All right, well, that was Cape Split. Hope you enjoy the drone footage there. Pretty epic spot. Got my stroop waffle. Had some jerky. Now a little return hike. I think there's still a few more viewpoints along the south part of the hike here. So very cool. We like it. We're gonna continue. Yeah. Christy found her swing.
Yeah, I thought I'd just take a little rest break.
Pretty sweet spot in that tree. What are you excited for, Tay?
Wine.
Yeah. All right, we're just gonna leave her there? Yeah, okay, see ya.
Goodbye.
Someday my prince will come.
Prince Toto to the rescue. All right, back to following Tasty.
To the wine.
Do we look tired? The last day and a half, we kind of just hung out and chilled with Toto and Christy at their place. We did some kayaking, did some paddle boarding, and now,
Gaming.
yes, playing some video games, board games, and now we're waiting for the shuttle back to the hotel to get into the car and drive home. Our flight was delayed and then delayed and then delayed, but at least it happened. So we are at Toronto Airport at
2:45 a.m.
2:45 a.m. Get the shuttle to the hotel and then drive back to London. Hopefully we get there before the sun comes up. So
If not, we'll see sunrise from the highway.
yeah, might get a sunrise on the drive home.
Is that our shuttle?
Uh-oh. Okay, gotta go.